Good morning, students. Today we are going to study sulfur allotropes and its compound. I am Ratnesh Kumar, PhD Chemistry, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Mankapur. Now about allotropes of sulfur. Sulfur has two allotropes. One is called rhombic, also known as alpha sulfur, and another one is called monoclinic, known as beta sulfur. Now rhombic sulfur is when heated to 369 Kelvin, it changes to beta sulfur. Now preparation of alpha sulfur. It was formed when the solution of roll sulfur in कार्बन डाइसल्फाइड इज एवोपरेटेड. जब हम लोग रोल सल्फर को हीट एवोपरेट करते हैं किस सॉल्यूशन को, तो अल्फा सल्फर प्राप्त होता है. नाउ प्रॉपर्टीज इसकी क्या होती हैं? इट इज़ insoluble in water and it dissolves to some extent in benzene, alcohol and ether. It is highly soluble in carbon disulfide. Now another method is for preparation of beta sulfur. Beta sulfur is prepared by melting rhombic sulfur in a dish and cooling. क्या करेंगे हम लोग? पहले एक डिश में rhombic sulfur ले लेंगे और उसको मेल्ट करेंगे. जब तक मेल्ट करेंगे जब तक कि उसके ऊपर क्रस्ट ना बन जाए. मेल्ट करेंगे उसके बाद कूल करेंगे जिससे कि उस पर एक क्रस्ट बन जाए. नाउ 2 होल्स आर मेड इन द क्रस्ट एंड द रिमेनिंग लिक्विड पोर्ड आउट. और उसमें हम फिर 2 छेद कर देंगे और उससे जो लिक्विड इसके अंदर का है उसको गिरा देंगे. एंड व्हेन वी रिमूव दिस क्रस्ट, नीडल शेप्ड बीटा सल्फर आर फॉर्म्ड. नाउ दिस इज beta sulfur is stable above 369 Kelvin and transforms into alpha sulfur below it. अगर जब इसका टेम्परेचर 369 केल्विन से कम होगा तो ये वापस अल्फा सल्फर बन जाएगा. और at 369 Kelvin both forms are stable and this temperature is called transition temperature. Now both have S8 molecules. S8 has a crown shape. It is a shape of crown. जैसे राजा का मुकुट होता है उस तरह का इसका स्ट्रक्चर होता है. Now sulfur also exists in the form of S6 which have a chair form and the structure is like given here. 6 sulfurs in the form of chair. At elevated temperature, that is at when temperature is very high, S2 is the dominant species. Sulfur exists as S2 and it is paramagnetic like O2. सभी लोगों को मालूम है कि ऑक्सीजन क्यों पैरामैग्नेटिक होता है? बिकॉज इट हैज़ unpaired electrons in the anti-bonding pi star orbital. Similarly, S2 has also 2 unpaired electrons in anti-bonding pi star orbital, so it is also paramagnetic in nature. Now about compounds of sulfur. First compound is sulfur dioxide. Its preparation is sulfur reacts with oxygen to give sulfur dioxide. The another method is sulfide ion reacts with hydrogen ion to give sulfur dioxide. Now about the properties. It is a colorless gas with pungent smell. It is soluble in water. That is, when sulfur dioxide reacts with water, it gives H2SO3, which is called sulfurous acid. Now, since it is acidic in nature, therefore it reacts with base like NaOH to form sodium sulfide and water. So these acidic oxide reacts with base to give salt and water. Now Na2SO3 on reaction with further sulfur dioxide, sodium sulfide then changes to sodium hydrogen sulfide. Another reaction is it reacts with chlorine to give sulfuryl chloride SO2Cl2. ठीक है. और इसके बाद it is oxidized in air in presence of vanadium pentaoxide V2O5 to give sulfur trioxide. It also acts as a reducing agent, that is, it reduces ferric ion to ferrous ion. The reaction we have already studied in class 11th. Now test for the sulfur dioxide is it decolorizes acidified potassium permanganate solution. The color of the KMnO4 is purple, which is colorized by presence of sulfur dioxide. Now structure is, it has angular shape. Now the shape is given here. It has angular shape, or it is used in bleaching wool and shell, used as disinfectants and in the preparation of sulfuric acids. Now next topic is oxo acids of sulfur. The structure is given here. H2SO3, the various are H2SO3, sulfuric acid, H2S2O3, H2S2O8, or also known as peroxo disulfuric acid, and H2S2O7, also known as oleum pyrosulfuric acid. The structures of these are given here. Thank you.